Kia ora Freshies, I'm Johnson Raela and this is my Poly postcard from right here on my beautiful home island of Aitutaki Cook Islands. And I'm going to share with you a couple of my favourite things I love to do whenever I'm back home. A first must do is jump on a boat and head out to one of Aitutaki's many beautiful motus on our world famous lagoon for a spot of snorkelling, swimming and fishing. Secondly, if you're lucky enough to visit Aitutaki when there's a wedding on, you'll witness a tradition we call orotoroka. This is where the bride and groom ride around the island receiving gifts from locals. Hey! And lastly, nothing beats family time. We're actually right in the middle of our Katu family reunion and it's lunchtime. It's time to eat. Alright Freshies, that is my Poly postcard from right here in the beautiful Aitutaki Cook Islands, a place visitors have long nicknamed Heaven on Earth. Ka kite.